Okay. Hi, welcome to the Dragonfly classroom. My name is Sarah, and I'm one of our teachers in our classroom, and this is my partner, Surabhi.
Hi, I'm Surabhi. I work with Sarah in the Dragonfly classroom. Welcome to our pre-K class.
We'd like to show you around. So this is where children in the morning hang up their coats. Each child has a spot with their name on it. Then we have children come here and they sign in. We also take their temperatures while they're lined up for sign-in. Over here we have our self-portraits, which we just did this week. Right now we have 12 children in our classroom. We have a number of different centers in our classroom. This is our art area and our writing area. So supplies are open and available to the children. Each child has their own journal. There's paper for them to do what they'd like. There's letters, chalk, and different art supplies. This is our imaginary play area. We have animals and little people figurine, tools, doctor set, food. This is our block area here. We have different sorts of blocks, wooden blocks, magnetic blocks, transparent blocks, opaque blocks. Above us is storage. We rotate our toys. We clean our toys daily, and the ones that aren't being used, we rotate them. So each day we try to have different things available to children. This is our daily schedule. We start our day with a meeting. We have an activity, a snack. We play in our green space. We have lunch. We play in our playground. We have rest time. And then we have free play. I'm going to pass it over to Surabhi for the other side of our classroom.
Okay, mainly this is our science area. You can very well see that we have the magnifying lens, and we have some shells, and we have some books about the sea creatures and different animals. And then we also have something like loose parts. You can see the cups, and then you can see the pine cones and some dry squash so that they can use to do some music or something. And then we have a book about the nature. And then this is the one this is very important for our classroom. This we call the 3 community agreements that we always go with the kids very frequently, like me, we, school. That means taking care of me, and then taking care of our friends, and taking care of the school as a community, so that children should understand that they should be like helping each other and work as a team all the time to make things smooth. And we have we call it the library, quiet area, where they can sit. You can see the furniture. Like we put the number 4 here, but usually there will be more kids, but when they are quiet, we don't insist on number 4. So they can choose any book they want. We have a lot of books about different topics, and we have also bilingual, some of the books are bilingual. And then this is about different cultures and folk tales and fairy tales from different countries. So the children are free to choose any book to read. And then we have the math area. You can see the shapes here, and then you see the numbers where they can see the number and then count this. And then we have books about numbers. This is about shapes and numbers. So these are the things. Also we have more to work on numbers, like a 2-digit numbers too. And then we also have a small board for them to draw with chalk. They are free to do that. It's left to them. Sometimes I see that kids draw beautiful pictures of them. And then this is, we call the meeting board, where kids will sit every day. You can call it circle time or rectangle time, where every day we start with a greeting. Usually we want to use different languages if possible. So today I did this greeting in Hindi, that is my language. And because this month we are talking about all about myself, so we are talking about a family. So we talked about how many people in a family, and we made a graph. can see that children are very happy to make their own numbers here. And then we have the supplies. Actually, we have some journals here to write. And then this is mainly the art supplies. You can see all different kinds of art materials. And my co-worker, she's an art teacher, so she has tons of different kinds of art for the children to use it and express their art. And sometimes we like to make a list of opposites and sometimes list of other different things and make a chart, taking the information from the kids. And I think this will fill one day of our schedule, I think.
Welcome to our classroom.